LeeAnn and Jeff here, Realty One Group, with another edition of Inspirada TV.
We are out here, another amazing tri-point build. We sold one of these earlier this year, back in March, and we are in for a treat. And the other cool thing is, so this is Skylark Trail over here. In front, you have the park, goes all the way down. So it's such a cool location.
Yeah, it's great. And I love the color. This green is amazing.
This is one of my favorite parts of this floor plan, because you have that false front door and you feel like that's the front door when your company comes over for the first time. Psych! So you have this amazing living area here, and then you have another yard in the back.
Yeah, it's really cool. Gives you a little extra privacy.
All right, so.
Love. Oh, this is such a great layout.
But these stairs
Yeah,
is everything.
those are amazing. The thick, cool
Chunky,
wood.
yes.
Yes, so cool.
Love these.
It's very modern. Let's turn on some lights.
Yes.
It's kind of cloudy out today, which doesn't make it feel any cooler.
Yeah, 13% humidity. We're dying.
The summer in Vegas. Yes. Oh,
Wow.
my gosh. This is absolutely stunning.
I mean, this is a house you just kind of want to take in.
Yeah.
And you know what else? Even an extra touch is this Venetian plaster.
Yeah.
So it's smooth textured on the ceiling, as it looks like, and then the Venetian plaster here, which is, you know, a lot more difficult to do, because when you texture over with the knockdown, it gives you a lot of room to hide mistakes and wonky areas. But good looking.
I love the natural light, and I know it's cloudy today, so it kind of messes it up. But it's such an open area, and with all of the windows and the big doors, I mean, it's really just an amazing space.
Yeah, because you have the sliders here, and then you have the second set there, which are the pocket slides down to
open really good.
On, yeah.
Yeah.
Give me a second. There we go. And they slide nice and easy.
Oh, yeah. That's so nice.
So this is priced at $875,000.
Yeah.
Really a nice price for the finishes in this home.
It's amazing. It's amazing. It's a terrific price that puts it at $270 a square foot. I love that the backyard is one space, and then you have the other space in the front. There's lots of great outdoor space with this.
And you're alley to alley on the neighbors across the way. And this balcony up here is going to be off the primary, which we'll get to in a bit. So
when you pull in, there's a gate that you can come through, but you could also go through the garage to get in as well.
I'm guessing this is probably a 3-car tandem if it was like the last one we just did.
It says 2-car.
So I'm not as right as I could have been.
Well,
so an upgraded
appliance
package.
Yeah. The appliances, the cabinets, everything in this house is definitely top notch.
2 colors on the island.
Yeah, that's super cool.
And I like these poles. Oh, really nice rollouts.
Roll out.
I mean, this is really kind of the finishes that you would expect in a home caliber at this price point. And I like this walkthrough.
Yeah, the walkthrough pantry is amazing as well.
Some of these floor plans, they add another set of cabinets here.
Mm-hmm. And you could always do that and make it like a little butler's pantry kind of situation.
Yeah, so it's a 2-car, but it is so deep that it's really almost, it's probably the square footage of a 3-car.
Yeah. Has water softener.
Yeah. Tankless water heater.
Tankless water heater.
What year was this built?
This was built in 2022. Bunch of twos. All the twos. And it is 3,245 square foot. That's a big house.
It's a big house. We'll
4 bedrooms.
So this one has a bedroom down.
That's always so convenient for guests who you don't want to come up into your space.
Nice
Why
half
would you
bath.
have some closet? Ooh. Oh, this is a great room down here. It's got a nice size closet.
Yeah, and then you have the 3/4 bath in here.
Yeah, that's
so it's
perfect.
really a full suite down.
Yeah, like if you had a mom or a dad or a mom and dad who needed to live with you, this would be amazing.
Or maybe you stay here and rent the rest of the house to the parents. Yeah. So yeah, and
Why
I do like
trying to make money off your parents.
I like this walk-in closet in addition.
It's amazing.
We'll head upstairs.
Yeah.
And as always, the primary is upstairs. So as always, this is when we like to ask that you please like and subscribe to our channel. We have hundreds of videos of homes in Inspirada.
Oh yeah. Terrific.
Look at this loft.
Again, with the light in this house is just spectacular. This is definitely one of my favorite floor plans.
Yes, and if not one of my favorite houses that we've definitely in the top 10.
Yeah, for sure.
And when you have 500 videos, we've seen a lot.
Yeah.
So here is the laundry room. The washer and dryer stay?
They do.
Fridge?
Yep, stays too. I'd love a big sink in the laundry room.
Yeah, a lot of storage here.
Oh, that's so awesome. This is the primary.
It's a really nice layout. I love this carpet too.
Huge, huge primary. This is great space. You have mountain views.
I mean, if this would be the best place for coffee in the mornings. Gosh.
And wine at night. Wow. This is really gorgeous.
And again, as we mentioned, you have alley to alley. So no one behind you. It's not a house looking into you.
Yeah, terrific spot.
And then we have Sloan Canyon back there, walking trails, petroglyphs, the whole 9 yards out there. I'm not sure what park is the nearest, but we will put it in here for you. Within Inspirada, there's 7 different parks here. And this community has its own swimming pool. We'll step into the primary. I like this honeycomb tile. Rain shower head. These are really pretty.
Oh, look at that. That's awesome. That would be very helpful when you're trying to put on your makeup in the morning.
Yeah. I like the gold fixtures, matched all the poles.
And this house does have all of the blinds that roll down. You can put them all the way up. It's really nice. Oh, this is a great size
And this closet is so
big.
With 2 windows. Yeah. I was out with clients last week and she said, it's great to have a window in there, but you need to know that the sunlight kind of beats down on the shoulders and will wear down the fabric.
Really?
Yeah, isn't that interesting? Something you never thought of. It's just so nice to have natural light.
Yeah, we're always excited about light. So.
All right, we'll head over and check out bedrooms 3 and 4.
The rails and everything on the stairs are just really so nice.
Especially, you know, when you catch.
Oh yeah, that's amazing.
So bedroom 3 out here.
Awesome.
And 9-foot ceilings up and wonderful. Down.
It adds so much to the space. You feel like it's so much bigger.
Kind of a good shot of park here. I was going to extend my arm out the window, but all right. So bedroom 4, little walk-in closet.
Oh, this is so sweet. Look at the little rabbits. How fitting.
Yes, cute. I like these 2 windows over here.
Yeah, I mean, it's just beautiful space. For sure.
This is really a find for someone.
Yeah, this would make somebody a really great house.
And it's so move-in ready. Yeah. There's no weirdness or...
No, everything. I mean, the carpet looks absolutely new. And of course, it's Jeff's favorite kind of carpet.
It is. So, 3/4, full bath in here.
Yeah. Double sinks.
Double sinks.
Awesome.
And as always, Jeff and LeeAnn Mix, Realty One Group, homesandinspirada.com, where our website has every listing from every brokerage. No need to search multiple sites. If you want to see this home or any other, just reach out to us, and we appreciate you watching.